am Enric Canela, and also I am full professor of the University of Barcelona. We have in our hands the book to commemorate a significant anniversary. 1 month and 4 days ago, we were demonstrating in the streets of this city, the capital of Europe. This book has wonderful pictures and few words, but enough text to clearly explain what we are and what we want. This book is a tribute to those 10,000 people being here in that special day, claiming for Catalonia's inherent right to exercise its self-determination. We did the demonstration because Catalonia, like any other country in the world, has its own right to choose its future. So we want to transmit that to our European sisters and brothers. It was an event of the Catalan society, without any political party leading it. Everything was born as an spontaneous and social event, and the seed was an article written on September 2008 in our blog that focused on Catalonia's sovereignty. In that article, I referenced Martin Luther King, and especially his Washington well-known event. Comments to my blog post were the cause of the demonstration. People started to join the idea. The success of the demonstration was because of the involvement of so many Catalans and the use of social media, Facebook, blogs. So many volunteers from everywhere in Catalonia got involved in the project and were the necessary piece to show to the world that we want our own state, the Catalan state, another state member of the European Union. During the whole process of preparing the event, and especially that 7th March, Catalan felt so many exciting feelings such as union, solidarity, freedom, and hope for a better future. So much think in that day of the beginning of our national recovery. The 7th March was started to collect signatures from people to ask for a self-determination referendum to Catalan Parliament. Catalan Parliament denied it, but so many city councils had already given their support to us. Arenys de Munt Council was one to give us support. Citizens of Arenys de Munt organized a popular consultation held the last 13th September. The result was an overwhelming yes to independence for Catalonia. The consequence of that demonstration in Brussels, our request to Catalan Parliament to hold a referendum and the consultation in Arenys de Munt are linked fates, leading the debate for independence as a central issue of the Catalan political agenda. Next 13th December, more than 100 towns and cities around Catalonia will hold a consultation to ask citizens whether we want the independence for Catalonia or not. In the future, will be more consultations in towns and cities. We're doing this just to get a binding self-determination referendum. We do not want to be different from other countries that already exercise their own sovereignty, or from those that will exercise their rights whenever they want. We want to choose our future in a democratic way. As Pau Casals said, Catalonia had the first European Parliament. Catalonia is one of the nations forming the modern Europe. We want to be a free nation again, And in this way, we need the cooperation of the European democracy. I am Catalan. I love freedom. I want a Catalan state. Thank you for your attention.